friends. I CMA CS Sangeet Saurav has came up today with latest government job notifications in Airport Authority of India. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then please like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel so that you don't miss a single government job alert. Telegram channel link has been provided at the description of this video. Please join the Telegram channel to receive latest updates on government vacancies. Friends, recruitment notification of Airport Authority of India has been posted at the description of this video. Let's start the video. Vacancy has came from Airport Authority of India, and Authority of India is basically a mini Ratna category 1 enterprise, and you have to fill online application through Airport Authority of India website, that is www.aai.aero. So total number of posts are 6, and as far as different posts are concerned, so number 1 is junior assistant office. Total number of posts are 9, out of which 6 seats is for unreserved, 2 seats for OBC non-creamy layer, and 1 seat for scheduled caste. Second post is for senior assistant accounts. Total number of posts are 9, out of which 6 seats is for unreserved, 2 seats for OBC non-creamy layer, 1 seat for SC. Post number 3 is for junior executive common cadre. Total number of seats are 237, out of which 99 seats are for unreserved, 23 seats for EWS, 63 seats for OBC non-creamy layer, 35 seats for SC, and 17 seats for ST. Post number 4 is Junior Executive Finance. Total number of seats are 66, out of which 30 seats is for unreserved, 6 seats for EWS, 17 seats for OBC non-creamy layer, 9 seats for SC, and 4 seats for ST. Post number 5 is for Junior Executive Fire Services. Total number of seats are 3, out of which 3 seats is for unreserved only. And post code 6 is for Junior Executive Law. Total number of seats are 18, out of which 10 seats is for unreserved, 1 seats for EWS, 4 seats for OBC non-creamy layer, 2 seats for SC, and 1 seat for ST. And as far as education and qualification and experience are concerned, so they have mentioned for junior assistant office only graduate is required. For senior assistant accounts, graduate preferably in BCom is required, and along with that 2 years relevant experience in the field of preparation of financial statement, taxation, direct and indirect, audit and other finance and accounts related field experience is required. So basically 2 years post qualification is required, which they have mentioned later on in the recruitment notification, that only post qualification experience will be counted, that is experience gained after the acquiring of the minimum education qualification required for the post. So basically 2 years post qualification experience is required after graduate in order to apply for senior assistant accounts. For junior executive common cadre, any graduate candidate can apply. For junior executive finance, BCom along with CMA, CA or MBA finance with is required. So BCom is the mandatory field. Along with that, the candidate should be either ICWA, that is CMA, or CA, that is Chartered Accountant, or MBA with specialization in finance. For junior executive fire services, B.Tech is required. For junior executive law, either 3-year law or 5-year integrated law is required. Along with that, they have mentioned that the candidate should be eligible to get himself enrolled as an advocate in the Bar Council of India to do practice in India. And as far as age relaxation is concerned or age limit is concerned, for junior assistant, maximum age limit is 30 years and the cutoff date is 4th of September 2023. That is, on this date, the candidate should be either 30 years or less. For senior assistant, maximum age limit is 30 years, and for junior executive, maximum age limit is 27 years. However, there are age relaxation. For ST/SC, there are 5 years age relaxation. For OBC non-creamy layer, there are 3 years age relaxation, and for PWD, there are 10-year age relaxation. That is, if you belong to ST/SC, in that case, if you want to fill for the post of junior assistant or senior assistant, in that case, if you are 35 years of age, then also you could apply. If you are OBC, then in that case 33 years is the upper age limit, and if you are PWD, in that case 40 years is the age limit, and so is the case with the junior executive. And as far as important date are concerned, so they have mentioned that opening date of online application is 5th of August 2023 and the last date of online application is 4th of September 2023. And as far as date of online examination is concerned, so they have mentioned that the date of examination will be announced on the Airport Authority of India website, that is www.aai.aero. And as far as pay scale is concerned, remuneration is concerned, so they have mentioned that junior executive, they would get selected in the grade of E1 at the basic of rupees 40,000 to rupees 1,40,000 with annual increment of 3%. For senior assistant, that is group C, the basic will be rupees 36,000 to rupees 1,10,000 per month along with 3% annual increment. And for junior assistant group C, the basic will be rupees 31,000 to rupees 92,000 per month along with annual increment of 3%. And as far as other emoluments are concerned, so they have mentioned that this is 40,000, 36,000 or 31,000. Basically these are the basic, and apart from that the candidate will be eligible for DNS allowance, perk which is 35% of the basic pay, that is 35% of 40,000, 36,000 or 31,000. Along with that, HRA and other benefits which includes provident fund, gratuity, social security schemes, medical benefit, etc., as per the rules of the Airport Authority of India. So as far as total CTC is concerned, so the total CTC per annum will be around rupees 13 lakh per annum for junior executive, rupees 11.5 lakh around for senior assistant, and around rupees 10 lakh for junior assistant. And as far as cutoff date is concerned, so I have mentioned earlier that the age, experience, and all other eligibility criteria shall be reckoned as on 4th of September 2023. So basically, this is the cutoff date. As on this date, if you have the requisite education qualification in or requisite experience, in that case, you are eligible to apply for the above mentioned post. As far as selection process is concerned, so they have mentioned that objective type online examination, that is computer based test CBT, will be conducted for all posts. There will not be any negative marking for wrong answer attempted by the candidates. Syllabus will be uploaded under press note of advertisement number 03/2023. So basically there would be online examination and there won't be any negative marking. That is, the candidate can attempt all of the question without having the fear of any negative marking. And they have and what will be the syllabus for this above mentioned mentioned post. So they have mentioned that the syllabus will be uploaded under the press note section uh, on the Airport Authority of India website. And they have also mentioned that candidate will be shortlisted on the basis of their performance in online examination, and they will be called for application verification, computer literacy test, physical measurement test, and endurance test, driving test as applicable for the post. So basically they have mentioned that the mode of selection will be online examination, and followed by that there will be application verification or computer literacy test or physical measurement test, depending upon the post for which you have applied for the above vacancy. For the post of junior assistant office and senior assistant accounts, they have mentioned that there will be online examination followed by application verification and computer test in MS Office. So there will be written test, and after written test, computer based test, there will be the proficiency test of computer literacy, and you have to pass the computer test in proficiency test also in order to qualify for this examination. And they have mentioned that only those candidates who qualify the computer literacy test will be considered eligible for selection. And as far as junior executive fire services is concerned, so basically after online examination there will be application verification, physical measurement test, and physical endurance test. Likewise for junior executive fire service also, they have mentioned that the candidate shall required to produce valid permanent LMV license at the time of application verification. The, also they have mentioned that the provisional selection of the candidate will be as per the merit list prepared on the basis of performance on online examination, subject to qualifying literacy test, computer literacy test, physical measurement test, endurance test. So basically they have mentioned that your mode of selection will be on the basis of marks obtained in online examination, and subject to that there you have to qualify the computer test or physical measurement test or endurance test, anything as such which depending upon the post, in order to get qualified for the selection. So basically, online examination, if you secure higher marks in online examination, then there are chances that your chances of selection would be high. But apart from that, you have to pass the computer test or other test which are simply passing in nature. And also they have mentioned that roll number of the candidates provisionally selected for appointment will be declared on AI website. So basically the candidate who would get selected, their roll number and other details will be mentioned in the website of the Airport Authority of India. Apart from that, on the registered email ID of the candidate, they will also send the requisite details to the candidates. And as far as how to apply is concerned, so they have mentioned that you have to apply online on the www.aai.aero under the career tab of the Airport Authority of India website. And as far as application fee is concerned, so application fee is rupees 1000 for unreserved, EWS and OBC, and application fee for ST, SC and PWD candidate are and PWD candidate are exempted from payment of application fee. So there would be no application fee for ST, SC and PWD candidate. And as far as examination center are concerned, so they have mentioned that the online examination will be held at various major cities across India. So they will mention the due course that what is the major examination cities which you will and they would also give the option to the candidate at the time of filing of the application form in order of the preference that which city they want to fill to get their examination done. And also they have mentioned that all correspondence with candidates shall be done through email and general information shall be provided through AI website. So basically they have mentioned that the general instruction will be mentioned in the official website of Airport Authority of India. And apart from that, Airport Authority of India would also communicate with the candidate on the registered email ID which they have filled at the time of filing of the application. And also they have mentioned online examination computer based test will be in bilingual, that is Hindi and English. So basically the test will be held either in English or Hindi. So candidate could basically write the examination depending upon his preference, whether he would give the examination in English or Hindi, that's computer based examination. Friends, Airport Authority of India is basically Mini Ratna enterprise, and it's a very good career opportunity for the candidates who are graduate or CA, CMA, MBA engineers. They could fill this application. The cost to company is also very high. It's around rupees 13 lakh. And the most important thing is that for majority of the post, there is no post qualification experience is required. That is, if you are freshers also, in that case also you could apply for this post. So it's a must to apply vacancy for the candidate. You should start your preparation right now once the syllabus would be uploaded on the official website of Airport Authority of India. In that case, you should start your preparation very rigorously for the above mentioned post. Friends, this is government job updates as of now. Very soon I'll come up with updates on another government job vacancies. Till then, take care and subscribe our channel. Thank you.